Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply. I want to show you the StabiliGrip floor that we have installed here in our RAM ProMaster. This is a solid style floor. It's composite material. It's almost like a wood floor. It's that rigid, but it's made out of plastic and composite materials. So it's not going to soak up water and things like that like a wood floor will. It is a three-piece floor, as you can see here, that's joined by these aluminum sills. Installation is relatively straightforward. You just need to remove your factory D-rings, put the floor in place, and then put your D-rings back in through the holes that exist in the floor. You can also purchase this floor with these aluminum door sills or thresholds that sit at the rear door and at the side door. That just protects the floor from getting chipped as you're loading things in, as well as gives you a nice grip for when you make that step into the van. Speaking of grip, this floor does have almost like a sandpaper feel to it, so you can still load in your skids and pallets and all of that relatively easily, and it's still going to provide you some slip protection if your boots are wet or things like that. Now, this is a precision cut floor, which means your wheelbase is going to be incredibly important, so make sure you know what your wheelbase is before ordering this, because it does cut to fit around your wheel wells as well as your C-pillar and some other contours in the van, so you're going to make sure that you're ordering the right floor for your particular van. This floor is almost a ½ inch thick and is the top of the line floor that you can get for your ProMaster. Now, if you're looking at this floor for the ProMaster, you may also want to take a look at these wheel well covers that we have installed here, which are sold separately. They cover those wheel wells and just get rid of that ugly white wheel well protruding into the van. We also have our wall liners and ceiling liners and door liners installed in here as well, so you may want to check that out as well. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.